Well, it's nice out here now. The ground is still wet. We had a good amount of rain today, but we're not looking at rain for the first half of the weekend, but that's not what we're talking about now. We're talking about the second half of the weekend. Sunday morning, what's going to happen there? A front's going to develop right on top of us, and that could change on who sees the snow and how much snow actually falls. It's an interesting forecast. Let's take a deep dive and look at it. So as we look ahead to our weekend forecast, our Saturday is dry, our Saturday is sunny in the morning. We'll see some clouds rolling in late into the day, and those clouds will be part of the storm system that'll be developing really right on top of us. And it won't be here Sunday, it'll actually be here Saturday night. You can see our future track brings in some of that light rainfall across our area. We could see that developing across the Hampton Road cities, maybe around 9 o'clock or so. So that's a possibility for Saturday night. Now, the updated version of this future track has brought the snow more and more to the west, really not on top of our area. However, we do have something called frontogenesis that'll be happening as the storm moves in. Basically, frontogenesis is the generation of a front, and the front, in this case, will be in this zone right around here. Now, why is that important? Well, when you have that happening, and with the combination of the cold air that's above us, it can help to tap into some of that cold air, and we could see some snow developing in this sector that I highlighted in that area of that light blue color. Now, more than likely, we'll probably see the snow hanging out and staying up to our north and northwest into this weekend in the zone of yellow, but we're going to have to watch this one and watch the updated models as we go into the night. Tonight, tomorrow morning with Casey, tomorrow night coming up also with Steve, because if that area of snow all of a sudden really expands, we could be right in it, and we could see some snow into the area. Our future track, though, Saturday night and Sunday morning, this is early Sunday morning, this is at 2 a.m., now it has a snow north of Richmond, when earlier, just a couple of hours ago when I showed you this model, it had this area of snow in this spot right here. So it has changed a little bit. So we're going to have to keep an eye on that, and it also has moved the storm out much faster. So the whole storm system is now sped up a lot. There's a lot of questions with the snowfall into the weekend ahead. Are we going to see a big snowstorm here in Hampton Roads? Probably not. I believe it's going to stay just up to our north and west. But now, as of the latest model run, this has the snow really not even coming down that bad in Richmond anymore, when earlier the forecast was calling for about 4 to 5 inches in Richmond. Now it's not showing much at all. Here, let me show you some of the different computer models of what they think for the snow, and that graph one that we see on the top left actually hasn't updated yet because 1.4 doesn't match with the colors, so that one still is yet to update. It's probably updating so fast it's not keeping up. It's really interesting what's going to happen on Sunday. That's why I wanted to make this video, just to kind of give you an idea on, okay, this is what we're probably going to see. We're probably going to see rain, but there's still a question mark for snow, and usually we have those question marks more so answered at this point in time, and we're trying to figure out other things like the amounts. But right now, we're still kind of unsure on the precip type. It's going to be an interesting weekend. Anyway, enjoy your weekend ahead. We'll have some sunshine on Saturday. Enjoy that. We'll talk to you later.